On March 14, 2012, Governor Tom Corbett signed the Pennsylvania Voter Identification Protection Act into law. This act, originally sponsored by State Representative Daryl Metcalf, requires all citizens in the state of Pennsylvania to display a state-issued, non-expired photo ID when they arrive to vote. Without identification present, the registered voter of Pennsylvania will not be allowed to cast their ballot in the November presidential election. Due to recent controversies within the state and on the national level, the bill was sent back to the state Supreme Courts on Tuesday and will be reevaluated. The partisan implications of this Republican-supported law for the upcoming election include the possibility of widespread disenfranchisement of Pennsylvania voters. Although similar laws have been enacted in other regions, Pennsylvania's status as a battleground state has attracted both media attention and the attention of concerned party leaders. Republicans claim that every citizen will have the chance to receive an ID by the election, and therefore only the unmotivated residents will refrain from acquiring a license and will not be allowed to vote. Further, the people who do not obtain an ID are also those who will not be inclined to cast their vote in the election, and therefore the voter makeup will not deviate significantly. According to PennDOT, however, over 758,000 registered voters, 9.2% of the voting population of Pennsylvania, do not currently possess state-issued photo IDs. The Department of Transportation only has funds to grant 75,000 free identification cards total and has already granted fewer than 10,000. Escalating matters further, 379,000 registered voters do not have the necessary documents to obtain identification. 174,000 of these people voted in the 2008 election and are perhaps not as unmotivated as Republicans claim. If this inability to acquire the proper photo identification persists, the outcome of the election in Pennsylvania could be affected significantly, benefiting the Republican Party. House Majority Leader Mike Turzai said that the law would allow Governor Romney to win the state of Pennsylvania. In order to approve the law, however, the state Supreme Court requires that it not result in disenfranchisement and will continue to assist citizens in acquiring the proper identification.